So, Duke, this way. So, welcome back to a brand new episode, and today, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be working on the nerd side of the Nomadic Nerd YouTube channel. So most of what I do, as you know, is travel around and kind of shoot weddings or photography stuff and things like that. But what I am really interested in is things like playing D&D and computer games and card collecting games and things like this. Always have been. It's just part of what I love to do. So we got word at one of the previous festivals we went to that there's such a thing as this fantasy festival going on, and it is really quite cool. There's lots of cosplayers, there's lots of different steampunk stuff, there's lots of fantasy stuff and dragons and all that sort of lark. So this weekend we're going to tour around it. Now, I got into this festival by signing up to be a volunteer. So part of my day, every day, is going to be working as either part of the media team or the camping team. I'm not sure where they're going to need me yet. And the other part of it is going to be showing you beautiful folks around this wonderful show. So, with Duke in tow and lots of the tents and stores and stage going up, I'm going to see if I can give you a bit of a sneak peek into the pre-show of the show, if that makes sense. Let's go.
There will be a time when you and me finally can talk. If you speak now, your words will only...
And that party is going to happen right behind me because they're setting up the dream stage.
Wait a man, your broken heart. Yeah. You can show me a new place to start. And you decide if you want to play pretend.
That's some of the hard work I should probably be helping with. But instead, I think we'll go lay in the hammock. So here we are. Come on, Duke. At the Fantasy Festival. Now, yesterday was a bit of setup and a bit hectic. And today we're up nice and early. Getting the dog walk out the way as everyone finishes setting up their stalls ready for the day. Now, I'm volunteering today, so I'm going to be doing a mix of duties, including some of the media team, hopefully. So we're going to see what I can get you and capture some footage, and I'll talk to you where I can, and it'll be clips and a bit of a musical interlude for most of this video, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, it's going to be a good day.
So I won't speak right now, 'cause words will tear us apart. I pray to God I find a way to mend my broken heart. Yeah, wanna show you a new place to start, place to start. But you decide if you wanna play pretend. And you decide if you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. You wanna see me again. You wanna see me Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I from falling down. I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down.
One part of the festival every year is the wicker ceremony. People come from all over the world and write dedications, hopes, regrets or wishes. Ashes of loved ones are brought, or marriages are held by an effigy. This year, a wolf. Then, a procession is led by some of the hard-working volunteers arrives to set the whole thing ablaze. I tell you, that ceremony, that wicker ceremony it was something else. It was a really cool idea when I heard about it. I was really excited to film it and get some footage. And the amount it meant to so many people who had put wishes on there or had been here before, the organisers, the amount of people that were so touched and the emotions running high were, you had to be there. I did such a shoddy job of recording that. I do not look forward to try and review my footage. Hopefully it looked all right, but I tell you, next year I'm hoping to come prepared for the enormity of the festival itself. There were so many people watching, smiling, laughing, waving, taking part. It was an absolute joy. And I am so tired. It has been such a long day. So we're going to go to bed because the festival's not over. We've got tomorrow to deal with and I'm excited. So it's time to get some sleep and I'll see you guys in the morning.
Cutting the power lines, we're done talking about it. A spark turns into fire, and we're not sorry about it. If you're not sleeping tight, you know we're onto something. You hear the streets are crying, oceans
And as the weekend slowly winds down, music playing, drinks being had, general merriment, I have to say, it was a lot of hard work. Like, a lot of hard work, but 100% worth it. If you are any way nerdly inclined, I would highly encourage you to either volunteer or attend the future Fantasy Frost festivals being held in the subsequent years. There is all sorts to see and do. However, for this vlog, we're going to call it quits, ladies and gentlemen, friends and allies. I am hitting the road and I am making some changes. There are some exciting things happening to the channel over the next few weeks, and I cannot wait to share them with you. So, if you've watched all the way to the end, you are my absolute favourite. Thank you so much, and I will see you all next week.